I am Jon Green, and I will be doing the phosphorus cycle. Phosphorus is an important biological molecule that helps in DNA, RNA, and ATP. Also, something to note is that nowhere in the phosphorus cycle is phosphorus used in the atmosphere, unlike the carbon, nitrogen, and water cycles. In the phosphorus cycle, we start with rocks that contain phosphate. These rocks then can erode or weather because of weather very slowly and go in either into the soil or into the ocean or other bodies of water. In the soil, it can either go into plants, which then they use for sugars and including especially glucose. This glucose and other sugars can either then just die from other causes or be eaten by animals, which again use it in RNA and DNA, which will then eventually die and decompose just like the plants and go back into the soil, which will then be incorporated into sedimentary rocks, which will have a geological upheaval, which will start that process all over again. Again, starting here at the beginning, we can have weathering or erosion, which will then lead to other bodies of water. Here in the other bodies of water, if there's too much phosphate, which does get dissolved, there will be an algae bloom, which can cause a trophic cascade that will kill a lot of the species that is in that body of water. If that doesn't happen and there's just a little bit of phosphate, then the plants and other animals can eat it, excrete it, or decompose, and that will be put into marine sediment, which will then go into the incorporation of sedimentary rocks, which will cause a geological upheaval, just like the animals, and will lead to the beginning of the cycle. Thank you.